Wish. There's a fire. Okay. The world needs me. Oh yo. Actually on fire lah. I've always wanted to do this. I've always wanted to do this. Abang pun ada. Alright. Sampai bang, meletup ke? Okay. Ada lagi bawah. Dah. Siapa punya motor? Mana? Tak tahu. Oh, alamak bro.
Ada IC tak? Oh, tadi yang pasal je. Oh.
Aduh, sian lah. Ada motor bakar dia.
Nama dia dah tahu.
Oh, firefighter for city. Thank you. Thank you to the abang firefighter lah. Actually turun on time. By the time I got there, the Forest City firefighters already arrived at the same time, and hats off to them. They did a very good job extinguishing the fire. And to the abang who just lost his bike, harap sabar. I understand what it feels like to lose your vehicle lah. Especially bike that brings you everywhere every day, and motor cari rezeki tu saya faham lah. I just overheard him say lah, he was trying to send a parcel or something and then his bike caught fire. Very unfortunate. Anyways, stay strong bro. Stay strong, everything happens for a reason.